The driver pulled the car off on the side of the road. We're just rocking it. It's not running.
Look at that.
It must have been much worse rolling down the road. We'll get a better idea jacked up with that left front wheel off. Is it in between that dust cover there and the rotor? Something's stuck in between that dust cover and the rotor. Here, let me give you a flashlight. Yep, we have a rock. There it is. That's funny.
It's the only way we're gonna get it out of it.
That's in there really good. Go there, you're on it right now. See if you can push it down. It might have to go from underneath maybe.
Hey, can we put the car in neutral and spin this?
Well, I don't know if you gain a lot.
Well, then you would get it unstuck. Other way.
You want to go reverse it, right? Like,
yep.
maybe you can turn it while I push this away. Where's that little thing? How's this turning out to be harder than we thought? That's all it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.